A light-dependent resistor, or LDR, is a photoresistor whose resistance changes with light intensity. It acts as an analog input to measure brightness, used in automatic lighting and solar tracking, and it works best with voltage divider circuit. This code uses a LDR to detect light levels. Let us understand what this program does. First, we define two pins, one for the built-in LED and another for the LDR, which is connected to analog pin A0. In the setup function, the LED pin is set as an output. Serial communication is started to display sensor values and LED status. In the loop function, the LDR value is read using analog read function. This is a simple automatic lighting system that reacts to changes in ambient light using an LDR. You can find the light intensity being displayed on the serial monitor. When the light is turned off, observe how the value drops and the onboard LED is turned on. The LDR can be used in automated street lighting systems. It can also be used in solar panels that align themselves in the direction of the sun. It can be used to adjust the screen brightness automatically. It may even detect ambient light, just like in this project, for smart lighting systems. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.